Is your inner DIY seeking a fun new project? Well, you can fulfill that craving by booking a workshop with our friends from Board and Brush in Roseville. We have owners Christina and Manuel Flores with us today, who gifted us with our very own custom-made sign for your California life.
Yeah.
If you're wondering what sign that is, it's this beautiful sign behind me, pink and white, with our California bear. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Our
Awesome
pleasure.
to have
Our
you
pleasure.
here.
Thank you for having
so
us.
look at that. Which one of you made that one?
A little bit of both.
A little bit of love from both of you.
Yep, exactly.
Awesome. Well, you're putting a lot of love into these DIY projects.
Yes.
Tell me about Board and Brush.
So Board and Brush is a hands-on workshop where you come in and we focus on wooden projects. You come in and design your own piece of art, perfect for home, office, or even as a gift.
And so you do this by booking a class. You can't just walk in.
No walk-ins. We have to have time to prepare projects and stencils and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, pre-booking and then coming in and having fun with us.
Okay, so if you're like me, you have great ideas in your head. Not very artistic. So can you do this as a blank slate with no experience, or maybe someone who needs a lot of help?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, we just take you step by step through the whole process to make you comfortable with it, and that way you can walk away with your very own masterpiece.
Well, I love this concept. I've been noticing a lot more of it. We had that farmhouse trend, I think that kind of, with the wood element. So tell me, you brought a little project here today to show us an example. Let's get right to it. I guess Manuel's going to take the lead.
He's taking over this part.
So you always start out with raw pieces of wood, and then you're going to do a little light sanding, and then you're going to do some distressing. So I'm actually going to let you do a little distressing. So
de-stress in more than one
that's
way.
right. So you're adding character to your
Where do I
board. So
hit
you're
it?
kind of banging it up wherever you want and making marks, adding little dings to it.
Go at it.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
All right.
So it's like perfectly imperfect.
Right,
Exactly.
Okay, maybe
Then
we
the
should
next
take this away
step
from me.
is you're gonna take your board and you're gonna do a little sanding or staining. So you're gonna add the stain onto your board, and then you can see you've got all the little distress marks that'll really even show up even more.
Right.
After you're done with your staining, then you're gonna take a stencil and you're actually gonna lay that stencil down on your board like so. And then this is where you're going to actually start to do a little painting. So Aubrey, I'm going to have you take this sponge brush here, and you're actually going to do a little bit of, you're going to dip it in the paint, and you're just going to dab it on there.
Dab it on the witch?
Yep. And then
So I like the fact that there's a stencil, because that helps me out a lot already.
absolutely, and that's where you don't really need a whole lot of artistic ability.
Am I doing this right?
Yeah,
Is there a wrong way?
No.
Well,
No, we have tips throughout the class, and we'll guide you through the right way to do the things.
Okay.
But as long as you're not doing any like stroke type motions, you're kind of just dabbing it on there with a light coat. And then after you're done dabbing it on there, then what we do is we will peel that stencil off, and you will be left with a design like
look at what I made, guys. Can you believe it? It's awesome. It's like magic. It's like, so obviously this is kind of with that fall Halloween theme. We've got the witch on the broomstick. Your classes that you can book, do you have the ability to pick what you want to make?
We have over 300 different designs that you can choose from. So anywhere from, like, we have some fall theme going on right now, Halloween, Christmas, Easter. There's so many to choose from. So,
what are some of the popular products that people are always asking about?
Let's see. We have our
You
trays.
have some examples here.
Yeah. I do. So we brought in some fall flavored signs for you guys. We have our little home sweet home welcome porch sign.
Nice.
We have our little thankful picture board. We have our trick or treat tray. We even do like herb planter boxes and everything, so there's all kinds of variety to choose from. Something for everybody. Yeah.
So you could kind of make a party out of these classes too,
Absolutely,
right?
yeah.
Most
People come in
definitely.
and do private parties. They do bridal showers. I mean, people do birthday parties. You can come in by yourself with some friends.
Oh yeah, we're looking at
family.
some pictures there. People
Yeah.
are having fun.
Yeah.
You can bring some snacks, because you might get work up an
Absolutely,
appetite.
absolutely.
Or need a drink.
We serve beer and wine, but a lot of people will do, like, sometimes they'll do a potluck, or they'll have it catered. So a little bit of everything.
They're even nice and share with us most of the time too.
What about if you just want to do your own thing? Can you do that?
So with the franchise, it's pretty much from our gallery, but you can customize wording like last names and dates and
Okay.
things like that and really make it your own.
What is it about the board and brush concept that's just really cool and a way to spruce up your home?
Most definitely. It's adding your own little flavor to the, to projects, and you can have it anywhere you want in the house. Color-wise, stain-wise, there's all kinds of good stuff.
Yeah.
I want to know what your favorite projects have been.
Oh my goodness. This one happens to be one of mine here. And then I've also done in the past for the show a little Sacramento skyline that I thought was really, really cool, and then that's been fun. Yeah.
I'm really digging on the trays right now, like the trick or treat tray that's down
yeah,
there
you know?
is my
You can be
favorite right now.
hostess with the mostest. All right.
Exactly.
So where can everybody find you, and how can they get in touch?
So they can visit us on our website, www.boardandbrush.com/Roseville, and that way they can check out the gallery, they can look at the calendar and see what days are available and come in and have fun with us.
Awesome. Thank you so much
You're
for being
so very
here.
welcome.
Look what I made, everybody. You can make one too. All right.
Nice.
Thank you so much. Yes,
Thank
so
you.
Fun
Thank you.
fall, Halloween themed, and the rest of the holidays activities. Thanks,
Yes,
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you
All right.
very much.
DIY.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.